why you suddenly start sneezing when spring rolls in? Seasonal allergies usually flare up because of pollen from trees, grasses, and weeds. Mold spores also love damp weather and can trigger sneezes and itchy eyes. Don't forget about dust mites. They thrive indoors, especially if windows are closed. And sometimes, pet dander mixes in to make it worse. So next time your nose starts twitching, blame it on these tiny troublemakers. Stay prepared and keep those tissues handy.